So if you ask me how did we get hold of True Roots, that came from our minister, John Grant, who had connections with Whetstone Baptist Church and obviously knew about True Roots, and he recommended them to us. And to ask them to come and have a look at the property, just to give me an idea of what had been done that was correct and what had not been done. They inspected the property for us and were able to support us in looking at the cladding that had been put on incorrectly. We asked True Roots to redo our cladding for us, and as you can see. And we're really pleased. I've had nothing but positive comments about the workmanship and the finished product, and it's been a real privilege to work with them. Thank you very much.